In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first, just open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Then tap on More icon and select History. And here just tap on Clear Browsing Data. Pick the stuff that you would like to get rid of. So you've got basic and advanced information here. So just mark those that you would like to remove. We've got here a browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. These are for basic. And then under advanced, you've got those three, which are saved passwords, out of info data, and site settings. Obviously, if you would like to, for example, leave your saved passwords smoothly unmarked, and then it will not be deleted. But I would like to remove everything. Then pick the time range and tap on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Then to confirm, and that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history here. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.